everybody. Welcome back. And here, we're going to see Bob Marley Three Little Birds. So get ready. Here we go. Three Little Birds by Bob Marley for me. And kill away, Annie. Here we go. This is hello too, you like? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Go worry about nothing. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Can't go worry about nothing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, right out in the morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little bird pigs by my doorstep, singing sweet song, a melody for a true shame. Here goes worry about things. Here goes worry about things. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Didn't go worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. It'll be alright. I rise up this morning, mine was rising sun. Three little bird pigs by my doorstep. His sweet song, a melody for a true saint. Didn't go worry about the thing. You go worry about the thing. Worry about the thing. Go every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Go worry here, go worry about the thing. I won't worry, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Go worry about the thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I won't worry, go worry about the thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Say go worry. Oh yeah. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And go you worry about everything. And everybody in the world, you're listening to this song. I just want to make sure everybody in the read this, share this song. It's a wonderful song and melody. And I just want to cut the song touch my heart. So I just want to remember everybody in the world and make sure you'll be alright. God bless you all. Take care. Stay safe. Toodaloo. Bye for now.